What's up, YouTube? I'm here making a new video. My last video, if you've seen, I've done an installation of the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Note 8. Two good installations. Now I have my Pixel 2 XL Whitestone Dome again. So let's get started real quick. Let me show you what comes in the box. Pretty much it's everything just like it was with the Note 8. We have our case. I still don't know what this piece is. Our alcohol swab, our LED light, our lamp, our 2 vials of glue, our screen protector, cleaning cloths. The only thing that I see that's different is absorption pads. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So before I finish, I noticed that I didn't put this masking tape down. So make sure that you get the masking tape to cover the speaker grills. So, installation process actually isn't that bad. It may be like an extra step or two more than the Galaxy Note 8. I would say the install itself came out pretty good. Part of, there's like a piece of like cured glue right there, but honestly that's my fault because I didn't read all the instructions, or I didn't read the instructions. And but honestly, once I put a case on it, I mean, you may or may not see it. So I'm gonna say that's definitely not a Whitestone thing. That's user error. So like I said, if you've installed this on the Note, pretty much the same. If you have a Pixel 2 XL and you are looking for a really good tempered glass screen protector, again, I've used them with the Note 8 now for 2 weeks. Very, very impressed. And like I said, the installation, don't let it scare you. It's not as hard as it may seem. It's just that you just have to follow the instructions. I definitely would advise, if you can, definitely check out a few different videos online. I think the only video that I saw for the Pixel 2 XL was CJ, I think it's CJ Knows Tech. I saw him put one on the other day, I think for his friend. But all in all, definitely impressed with the Whitestone Dome Glass Protector for now the Note 8 and the Pixel 2 XL. I'm gonna leave a link below where you can go and find them. Again, Whitestone Dome Glass for the Note 8 for the Pixel 2 XL. If you're interested in seeing the installation for the iPhone 10, just drop me a message below, and I'll be sure to make that happen. All right, you guys take it easy, and go Eagles.